tape on all of this. Guys, you can see that we have used these bottles to make a long strip over here. Now let's bring together both these strips like this. And then we will wrap tape all around this as well, just like we have done for this one. Look at it. We will have to make many strips like this. Look at it. Guys, so let's finally start giving this boat some shape. Good morning, guys. So finally this boat of ours is built and ready. Yay! Look, it's here. I won't show it to you right now. First, let's take it to the lake and then see whether it will float or not. So come on, quickly, let's go. So guys, because we have made it out of plastic bottles, this boat of ours is quite light as well. Alright guys, so now we present to you our very beautiful boat. Look at this, guys. Isn't it really lovely to look at? It should float now. Oh boys, bring it down, bring it down. First pick it from here, guys. So guys, you can see over here the makeshift arrangement we made to fit it, and only then we have managed to transport it. Easy, slowly, easy. Guys, this is really very light. The total weight of this is even lesser than 10 kgs. Come. Guys, this boat of ours, along with being very light, is also quite beautiful. The pink color caps on all the bottles that are there. The caps on bottles, they are enhancing the beauty of our boat. And if we, hey, sit down, everybody sit down wherever you are. Look at this, guys. Look at it from the top, how beautiful it is looking. But the thing is that beautiful side is going to go under the water, because these bottle caps that are there, they will form a good grip inside the water, which may help in keeping the boat stable. Come on, guys, let's straighten it now. Hey, straighten it out slowly. So guys, this is our boat. Look at this. Isn't it lovely? Check it out. We haven't subjected it to any tests yet, but you can see how big this boat is. Guys, we will definitely test the boat, but before that, let's test the Titanic. Let's make him a portal man, how exactly I was made earlier. Guys, comment below immediately whether this Titanic will sink or swim. Guys, he's looking like an astronaut. See, because of this behind him here. And now let's see whether our Titanic is... it sinks or not! Guys, the Titanic is floating! Now let's see if the boat of us is able to float or not. Alright guys, now let's test this. 1, 2, 3, easy! Guys, you can see that this is perfectly floating in this with ease. Look at this. Guys, now let's see whether it is able to take my weight or not. 1, 2. Yay! Guys, you can see that this boat is able to support my weight in the most perfect way. 1, 2, 3. Look at this, guys. It doesn't in any way feel like the boat is sinking slightly or going down in any way. Now give it to me. Guys, the real test will be when we go to the center of the lake. Come on, let's go to the astronaut. Hey, save me in case I sink.
Okay. We'll love you.
Guys, I have the boat, but the oar got left behind over there right in those prickly bushes. So now I have these two engines. Engine, take the boat over there right now. Guys, look at how this boat looks, man. Hey, Titanic! Guys, see how it looks, man. It looks lovely from all angles. The only thing missing in this an engine, but you can see with what ease this boat is staying afloat. And see this. Comfortable. One purpose behind making this was also that these plastic bottles don't spoil for many years, for almost 500 years. So I thought, why not make a boat out of them, and this boat is working perfectly. Guys, now let's see how many people this boat is able to support apart from me. Hey engine, take me there to the show. Hey, I'm coming back. Let's go! Turn around in that direction. Alright guys, so now let's see how many people this boat is able to carry apart from me. So first of all, Baba, go over there. Easy, easy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Come forward. You won't sing, come forward. So guys, you can see that it is able to carry 2 people pretty easily. Now you come over here in the center. 1, 2, in the center. Guys, it is able to carry the weight of 3 people with ease. Make space. Alright guys, now let's see whether it is able to take the weight of this heavy set Govinda over here. Come in center, don't make a sound.
Okay.
1, 2. Guys, you can see that it has very easily manages to carry all of us. Come, let's take a round and come. Give me the oar. Come on guys, this is our ride and we are on the way. Guys, just try to think about this. This boat of ours weighing even less than 10 kgs, taking mine, his and his, all of our combined weight so easily. It's an absolutely perfect condition and safe. Hey, turn it around. Hey, don't take it
brother,
into
easy,
those
easy, man.
thorns.
Easy,
Hey. This engine is rubbish. I'll have to take the boat there, otherwise they will drive us into the thorns. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.